So we rub the applicator in the wax. It's very easy to apply. And we just plaster the paintwork in it. Quite a joy to use. Very smooth. There is also this side of the applicator which is harder for tougher areas. Maybe around the awkward bits like that. And then all we do is get the special red cloth, my magic red cloth, put a bit of elbow grease in, and look at that. The faded blue paint is now a lustrous, shiny finish. And they reckon this will last for half a year. Very good. I'm very impressed. Oh, it'll be the best 2002 Vauxhall Corsa in town, won't it? Yeah, very good. I'm happy with that.